sumuporta sa unang-unang invitational tournament ng Canada Races. And again, congratulations to Jaguar for being the best club, and Nick Stans for getting the best news and escort today. Okay, so court number two, please. The following players proceed to court number two. Ian Mercado, Monique De La Cruz, Ryan Montemayor, and Yasmin Medin. Court number two, please. Right now, Ian Mercado, Monique De La Cruz, Ryan Montemayor, and Yasmin Medin.
Game number 89, point number 4. F5 mixed double. Andy Farouk and Claudia Pino versus Abdurrahman Duran and Vashti Isabella Jacob. Please proceed to court number 4. Game number 89, court number 4. F5 mixed double. Andy Farouk, Claudia Pino versus Abdurrahman Duran and Vashti Isabella Jacob. Please proceed to court number 4.
Court number 5, the following players, please. Winner by default. Shantil Episcata, Teresa Maranal. Winner by default, F5 mixed doubles. Ang saya. Okay, court number 5 now. Court number 5. The following members, players. Please proceed to court number 5. Yusuf Bamukra, Fatima Azhari, Tika, Hesky, Santiago, Walandan. Yes? Azhari? Alright. It's okay. We'll just adjust. Alright. Nangyayari talaga yan. Adjust lang. Very flexible.
Nice one.
Again, we would like to thank all our sponsors today. Okay, let's proceed. Court number 5. The following players, please proceed to court number 5. Kaiser Rashid, Grace Sampayan, Aham Yusuf, and Ted Haramen. Please proceed to court number 5. Again, the following players, Kaiser Rashid, Grace Sampayan, Aham Yusuf, and Ted Haramen. Court number 5, F5 mixed doubles in 92. Again, congratulations, Jaguars, for getting the best and Mixed Stans for best news and best estimate. Yun yung si Jackie. And again, we would like to thank all our sponsors tonight, Kapamilya, Big Box. What else?
Alas lang.
lang. So, 906?
Go, Tek.
We would like to thank Bioter, Juaros, Yun, Sura, USBI, Detective Lupin, FS Pumas, Sindicato, and Hawks. Kapamilya Asian Restaurant and Kapamilya Supermarket, Dr. Amaka Nagkan Medical Complex, Fast Boy, Madel's Touch, Love Potion, Ophelia Perfectionist, and Philcom. Thank you so much for your support. And of course, we would like to thank Shoya Productions, Team Red Filipina, event makers, Maki House by Tony Padomoro, and a lot of individuals who supported us. And of course, Love Potion. And again, if you would like to purchase Love Potion, or you'd like to see the different fragrances that Love Potion has, don't hesitate to approach me and ask me. We have a lot of different scents. Love Potion is an oil-based perfume. It's 50 milliliters and 45 reals for each bottle. We have Sauvage, Bulgarian, Clinic Happy, Tension Light Blue, Chanel Shots, and many, many more. If you would like to see them, please don't hesitate to approach me. I'm very friendly. Okay, card number 5. Please, the following players proceed to card number 5, please, right now. Mark and Ezekiel Sale, Jim De La Cruz, Franklin Latag, and Abigail Nungkong. Please proceed to card number 5 and file next levels, game line 3. Again, players Mark Ezekiel Sale, Jim De La Cruz, Franklin Latag, and Abigail Nungkong. Please proceed to card number 5. And because we're very generous with Love Potion, we are giving away a Love Potion perfume. Santong Santo, because this is a male fragrance, Sam Cabanilla. Sam Cabanilla, please clear your prize. Kuya San. Sam Cabanilla, please claim your Love Potion perfume. Santo sa likod because it's Bulgarian. Sam Cabanilla. Are you still here? If not, I'll give this to someone.
Joben,
Abby from Next Nuts and Fran, Mark, and Jill from Jaguars. Please proceed to court 5 for game 93, please.
Joben, congratulations.
Okay, so Sam is not here, so we'll give this to someone else. Ted Haronel. Ted, please claim your prize. You can give this to your husband. Male fragrance to him, but I'm sure he will like it.
Ate Ter, please claim your prize. Yes.
Five, Abby and Fran from Mixed Nuts, Mark and Jill from Jaguars. Court number 5, please. Ted, please claim your prize. Are you here? Yay! Ted?
Nakasunod yung kay Chan.
Thank you. Actually, love potion.
Asa si Frank?
Okay. Tita, are you still here? Tita. Tita. You're not here? Please give your prize. Congratulations. Tita.
Sa harap siya eh. Diba?
Ezekiel Calvario.
Talaga pam.
Are you still here, Ezekiel? I love the name. It's very good. Ezekiel, please claim your prize. Ezekiel? Tatay na lang? Sure. Felbertson Soto. Felbertson. Felbertson.
بس تلعب
Sige,
كاتيجوري هذه دخلت
Felbertson. Si Kelly at saka si Robertson. Felbertson Soto. Are you still here? No, you're not.
Mr. Red Balinaw. Red Balinaw. Nandito pa ba si Mr. Red? Sir Red. Sir Red. No more entries.
No more chances of winning.
Abdulaziz Baby Boy. Asa si Abdulaziz Bebebon? Abdulaziz Bebebon.
Upo mo na ako dito. Nakakawa ko ng ano.
Mr. Nel John Cabrera. Nel John Cabrera. Nandito po ba si Mr. Nel John Cabrera?
Wala lang ako. Kasi ati-ati na ako.
Mr. Nel John Cabrera. Nandito po ba si Mr. Nel? Wala. Wala na si Mr. Nel Cabrera. Wala na siya.
Imran Amin. Mr. Imran, are you still here? No. Imran Amir. Imran Amir. Oh, hello. Congratulations, Mr. Imran.
Mr. FD tayo. FD, Sir FD. Sir FD tayo, please claim your prize. Wala si Sir FD. Wala. Okay, wala si Sir FD. Ryan Ate. Si Sir Clark. Mr. Clark. Sir Clark. Sir Clark.
Clark, congratulations.
Mr. Mark Pangilinan, Pretty. Asa si Pretty? Please claim your prize. Eto. Nanalo ka ng washing machine. Washing machine with air fryer. 2-in-1. Washing machine with ginkgo biloba and glutathione. Mr. Jota